Hey, this is Simon from Wolfmix and I'm coming to you from our new studio. And I thought I'd use this opportunity to make an unboxing video of the Wolfmix W1 MK2. Here we go. Alright, so this is how we ship the Wolfmix W1. It's a standalone performance DMX lighting controller. Made for discos, clubs, live shows, theatre. You can use it for pretty much everything. I have my trusty knife over here. Be careful with knives, kids. Oh, it's my birthday all over again. Right, okay. So we put this seal on. In fact, we check each Wolfmix and then we seal it. If it's unsealed, it might be a B-stock or second-hand Wolfmix. Beware of that. So the first thing you see when you open it is Lights Wolfmix Action. Move the box over there. Okay, we've got a QR code for getting started. Warning information, very important. And then we just have a very quick getting started guide. It shows you what all the main buttons do. But we don't need that today, right? We don't need manuals. We can figure this out. Okay, let's take the Wolfmix out of the box. Here it comes. Take off the ears. We have a USB-B cable and a power supply. I'm in the UK, so we've got a UK one. But we ship them with EU and US power supplies. Shift the box out of the way. Remove the recyclable bag. And here we go, a beautiful brand new Wolfmix W1. Serial number and all that jazz on the back. I'll show you some of the connectors that we have here. So we have some XLR sockets here. We've got 4 XLR sockets for up to 4 DMX universes. It ships with 2, but you can route the same universes out of these 3 and 5 pin XLR sockets. So for example, you could have like universe 1 through these 2 and universe 2 through these 2. And we offer 3 and 5 pin sockets depending what XLR cables you're using. Over here we've got a USB-B socket, so that's just 5 volts powered. Any mobile phone 5 volt power supply will work. Then you have the USB-A socket, which is for a MIDI controller or a memory stick. And finally we've got the line in if you want to connect it to a mixer, hook it up, sound activate. We've also got a little microphone over here. That's what this little hole's for. So let's go ahead and power this thing up. So when you power it up for the first time, you are presented with a code here. Sometimes you get a QR code here as well, depending what firmware is loaded on. And basically we need to go to wolfmix.com/activate and you enter this code into our website, and then that will give you a response code that you key in over here. And that just proves that it's a genuine Wolfmix controller. Once it's all registered, you click this tick and you're ready to go. And I have pre-registered a controller. So if I grab this one that I registered earlier from down here and I power up this one. There we go. So you're presented first with a demo project, which you can access here, by the way, from the menu. If I go to open, here's like an unboxing demo project we made earlier. Check everything lights up, looks good. And then we have an EasyView software, which you see over here. Now this is an optional add-on. It does cost, I think it's $99 or something like this. But if you take this optional add-on, this basically allows you to use this 3D visualizer. And this is a demo project we have in the 3D visualizer. So we can flash the lights like so. We can change the dimmers over here. We can go to the preset screen, trigger some different presets. And this is basically an overview of everything you can do with the Wolfmix. Insane colours, Milky Way. We've got these flash buttons over here. So for example, if I want to do a blinder, or if I want to do a flashing Wolfmix effect, blackout, smoke machine, if I had a smoke machine. And then we've got our various effects and things over here. So in our next video, the link will be probably here or here, and I'll be showing you how to get started with the Wolfmix, getting your show set up and all those little specific details. I'll see you in the next video.